Year 1362 began with wind and cold across the land. No one saw the wall collapse, no one fled the water's grasp. They prayed and wrung halt late that night. By dawn the town was out of sight. No sword, no wall, no wooden beam could stop the rising ocean scream. No sirens called, no orders came, just rising dark and nameless flame. The flood came fast and took the ground. It tore through stone without a sound. 40,000 gone that night. The sea took land and blocked the light. Friesland down to Harl Bay, the fields and homes were washed away. The cattle drowned, the crops were lost. The winter came and iced the cost. No fire burned, no bell was rung, just silence where their songs were sung. The ocean stood where farms had lain, a grave of salt, a sea of rain. The tide rose slow, but didn't fall. It took the word and kept it all. The flood came fast and took the ground. It tore through stone without a sound. 40,000 gone that night. The sea took land and blocked the light. It came like fire across the shore, a tide that shattered every door. The skies went black, the stars withdrew, and water filled the world they knew. No time to run, no chance to fight. The land was gone before the night. What stood for centuries was swept, and in the sea their names were kept. One night of waves, one world erased. No second chance, no sacred place. You return the next day, and nothing is left. No path, no house, no name you knew. Not even the land remained. Entire communities were wiped from the face of the earth. The coastline torn, the country redrawn, and the sea silent, endless, absolute. The flood came fast and took the ground. Through stone without a sound. 40,000 gone that night. The sea took land and blocked the light.